You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this Irish singer and songwriter. For more names of celebrities for music and more Irish names, make sure to stay tuned loads to learn here. Niall, yeah, Niall, so you could spell it. You can see the phonetic spelling on your screen, just like the river. Niall, Niall, Horan, Horan, yeah, overall, Niall Horan, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.